Hi guys! Today we are going to learn new word, enlighten, which means to provide someone with information and understanding, or to explain the true facts about something to someone. Now we can use the word enlighten in many places, such as, I hope the results of my research will enlighten my colleagues. She didn't enlighten him about her background. First sentence means, my result of my research will give more knowledge about the topic for my colleagues. And the second one means, she didn't explain the true fact about her background to him. Hope you have learned today's word. Check the yesterday's new word by clicking on the shown video. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.